So in today's practical we are going to perform basic gates. What are basic gates? So there are different types of basic gates as we have already seen the lecture. Okay, like AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate. Okay, these are the basic gates. Today we will perform the practical on AND gate. How AND gate perform, that we will see. So for this we will take IC 7408. You can see this IC 7408. Okay, so here is notch, here white circle you are seeing. Okay, this is a notch. So how many pins are there for this 7408 IC? So there are total 14 pin IC. This is a 14 pin IC. How will it see? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. From 7 and the 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, so this is 14 pin IC. Okay, so how many inputs we will give to the AND gate? So there are total 2 inputs and 1 output. Okay, now we will place this 7408 IC in our trainer kit. So this is our trainer kit. Can you see the trainer kit? Yes. Okay, so we can place the IC over here, maybe here. Okay, so there are different settings they have given in which we can place the IC. So for time being we will consider this. Okay, so we will place this 7408 IC in this setup. Okay, so notch should be over here. Okay, so we will place the IC like this and you will lock it. Okay, fine. This is our VCC side, that is 5 volt supply side. This is our ground side. GND means ground side. This is our input data, 8-bit data input. Similarly this is our 8-bit data output. Okay, so now we make the connections. So now there are inputs, 2 inputs are there. Okay, so it is 14 pin IC. Okay, so we will count from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. You have to ignore remaining pins because this is only 14 pin IC. So we will consider only 7 from here and 7 from here. Got it? Remaining we have to ignore. Okay, now we will start with this. There are 2 inputs, 1 2. These are our inputs. So one is we will place connector over here and connector over here. See, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Any one of these you can place the input. Okay, so I am choosing this as the input. Now second input is where? Now we have to place second input. Second is into pin number 2. So we will place connector in pin number 2 and I am considering this as the input. Okay, so these are our 2 inputs, pin number 1 and pin number 2. Now we have to connect the output to pin number 3. 1 2 and 3 you can see over here. So pin number 3 is our output. So I am purposely choosing black color for representing the output. So we will place over here. So this is our output. Okay, now we will check the truth table and we will verify the truth table of AND gate, right? Okay, so what is the truth table for AND gate? 0 0 output will be 0, 0 1 again output will be 0, 1 0 output will be 0 and 1 1 output should be 1. So one by one we will check it. Okay, so when both are 0 but without giving any ground and VCC, can we perform the practical? No. So we have to connect VCC and ground. So we will connect ground and VCC, right? So what is the pin number for VCC? 14 is the pin number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. So this is our VCC. 14 number pin is VCC. You can connect any of these. So we will connect over here. Okay, now we have to connect ground. What is the pin number for ground? Ground is on 7, right? 7 pin number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is our 7. So we will connect 7 number pin to any of these the ground. So we will connect over here. Okay, now we will start performing the practical and we will verify the truth table for AND gate. So when both are 0, here both are 0, right? If both are 0, output should be 0. That's why it is LCD not blinking, right? So 0 1 we will make it 1. See, we are making it 1 second, but again output is 0. So this LCD is not blinking. Now we will make 1 0. So this is blinking, this is 0. Again output should be 0. Now we have to make both 1 1 1. Yes, output is 1. So we are getting this LCD as a blinking state, right? Okay, got this? Okay.